Welcome back to the channel Red Dirt Designs. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how you can do the cracked weathered look on pallet wood with lime green paint. I use this cracked weathered look here in my bathroom. This is a teal color, but we're going to do a lime green. To start off, you'll stain the wood with black stain. Next, I buy the cheapest wood glue I can find, and then we're going to brush a thin layer over all three of these boards. We're going to let this dry when we're finished, but we want to make sure when we come back that it's still tacky, because the glue drying faster than the paint is what causes it to crack. I found the brightest lime green paint I could, and now I'm going to brush a thick coat over all three of these boards. The glue is set up just enough to where the paint sets right on top. I'm not too concerned about any of the sides, because when you butt them up on a wall, you don't generally see them. If you find this tutorial useful, please hit that like and subscribe button and ring that bell. Thank you. I have this video on a time lapse. You can see the cracks starting to form. I add a heat lamp to try to help speed up the drying process. Here they are dry. Notice the cracks have gotten really large. This is from the glue contracting quicker than the paint, causing it to crack. With the sanding disc on my grinder, I'm going to distress the wood just a little further. Distress to your own liking. I like mine to look really old and distressed, so I do quite a bit of grinding. Now I'm positioning the boards as if they're on the pallet wall to get an idea what they're going to look like. I've noticed if you darken the very edge of each board, it gives more contrast from board to board, and it looks a lot nicer in my opinion. Now it's time to make some more, so we have enough for a full pallet wall. Good luck on your project, and if you use this tutorial to make your pallet wall, please post a comment and let me know. Thanks!